afternoon, this is Donovan from Big Sky RV again, here to introduce the Camp M from Overland Explorer. The Camp M is specifically designed for mid-size pickups in the U.S. market. That is your Colorado Canyon, your Tacoma, your Ford Ranger, and even the Jeep Gladiator. The Camp M is a non-overhead bed truck bed camper that is pretty much fully featured like its big brother, the Camp X. Has a Vario heat by Truma, 12,000 B2 furnace. It has the Redarc Battery Manager 30 that will support both your solar system and a lithium or AGM battery. It has a Truma aqugao continuous hot water heater. So it's some nice appliances. Also here on the outside, while we're out here talking about appliances, it utilizes the Bullfinch hot cold outside shower system. You simply plug in the shower head attachment and adjust your temperature right here. Super cool, super easy. The system is also structural on this camper, unlike some other truck campers that are not recommended for use while the truck camper is not sitting on sawhorses or the truck. This camper has a floor system that is extremely strong. A person can drop it onto its jacks and still use the truck camper. That's an important feature. Like its big brother, the X, it has 20 gallons of fresh water. It has a nice little utility station here with a solar port on the side. This is the gray water drain out for the Dometic flush top sink. Pretty neat. You can put a hose on that and run that away from your campsite. They also supported the 2 bottles system, so it comes with one. At request, we can add the additional bottle to the system, but the bottles are the 10-pound bottles, so 2.5 gallons a piece. It's actually quite convenient because they're fairly easy to maneuver in and out. So if you do happen to be camped somewhere and you just want to go to town and get LP, it's quite a bit easier because the bottle is nice and compact. We talked about this in the Camp X, but the Camp M and the X share this insulated fabric. This is what they're saying, a fire-rated exterior material. It basically has a layer of thinsulate style material and then a heavy denier canvas on the inside. What they're telling us is that this performs to R4, and due to the sidewalls high density wet foam construction, the sidewalls are reported to perform at R11. So with 12,000 BTUs and having a soft sided package that has R4 and R11, we believe these campers can be used in very cold situations, and that should be appealing to a lot of outdoorsmen, warriors. Not much to see on the other side here. Now I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to go inside and I'm going to show some of the interior features of the Camp M. Now the Camp M, just by its nature, is quite small. It is a 2-person camper. It will sleep 2 people, but it is tight in there as it was designed to fit on a, like I said, a mid-sized truck bed camper. They did come in the 940 pound range. So that's what this particular camper, the way it sits, weighs 940 pounds. Now that will go up as we add batteries, water, and then jacks. So keep that in mind. But anyways, so we're gonna head on inside. And the Camp M, like I mentioned before, is a little bit smaller. I'm sitting in the dinette. You can see the control center with the Truma control panel and the Redarc control panel. Because this is a mid-size model, if you look down here, this is where they chose to mount the Vario heat, a direct-to-cabin system. Very well done. Underneath here is some of the interior storage of the camper. The folks at Overland, at Lite Industry Overland Explorer, do an incredibly good job with their plumbing. person can see, if you look, they use all brass, crimp ring, PEX fittings. Nothing's really left loose. The wire system is all run in a chase. That's the very good work. Underneath here, we'll see the area where they intended for the battery to live, and access to where the interior mounts for the fast gun to mount the thing to your truck. There's one, there's a port there. That's the water drain out. That's the battery tray. Will support a 170 amp hour battery. If you look here, you'll see the water pump installation. And then if we keep looking up, you'll see the Redarc Battery Manager 30 and its mounting brackets. The folks, we kept a CFX 65, or not a CFX, but a Dometic 65 liter fridge. This is a compressor style fridge, extremely 12 volt only, extremely efficient. With a solar panel and 170 amp hour battery, that fridge could run more or less indefinitely if you have a little bit of sun during the day. Cooktop is a 2-burner cooktop made by Dometic. The sink is a single basin sink, but hot cold. Has a fold out faucet, works really nice. All that sort of folds away and becomes flush top. All positive catch latches here. The bed system. The bed system took a little bit of work to make it work, but because there is no overhead bed, the bed itself has to fold up inside the camper. So you'll see the cushions up above us here. So to actuate the bed system, a person just has to pull the bed down up over the cushions. And now we're looking at a 2-person, about 45-inch wide sleeping surface. Here we have access to our windows. There's a plastic window and then a screen behind it. And these are your insulating blackouts. So to put the bed back, see if I can do this one-handed. Person just pushes it back and slides it into place. The struts on this new design hold it into place. The water tank for the Camp M is right there. It also uses a sight gauge. Person looks right through the slots there to see what the water level is. It uses a Langoon table base. That's a swivel base that goes up and down. So to lower the table, person lower the table before when you put the camper away. All the safety equipment, such as fire extinguishers. It has a safety alert carbon monoxide leak LP leak detector combo, and also a smoke alarm. Both the Camp X and the Camp M utilize a multi-speed high volume fan with a shade and like a blackout shade. So yeah, I hope this gives a person a sense of the space available inside of a Camp M. Once again, they are tight in space, but were designed for compact pickups. Thank you for watching.